Module 6 will provide you with a fundamental understanding of the Meraki portfolio of solutions and product lines technology. We create 100% cloud-managed IT that simply works. Technology can connect us, empower us, and drive us. At Cisco, we believe that by simplifying powerful technology, we can free passionate people to focus on their mission and reach groups previously left in the darkness. Founded in 2006, Meraki joined Cisco in 2012 as one of the industry leaders in the IT cloud management space. Today, Meraki solutions represent one of Cisco's fastest-growing portfolios. Over 140,000 customers use Meraki systems to empower their workforce. There are over 2 million Meraki network devices online all over the world. These comprehensive set of solutions include wireless, switching, security, communication, enterprise mobile management, and security cameras. All are managed through Meraki's dashboard mobile interface. This allows customers to seize new business opportunities and reduce operational costs. Wherever you may be in the world, with a single pane of glass, you have visibility and control of your wireless security appliances, switches, mobile device management, and cameras. All of this is available without changing interfaces or logging in to different systems. Managing a full stack of Meraki gear under a single pane of glass affords simple, scalable, and cross-platform visibility. What do Meraki MR Wireless, MR Switching, MX Security, Systems Manager, and MV Manager all have in common? Intuitive cloud management, of course. Enhancing any network with just one of these products provides granular visibility and control. But deploying a combination of Meraki product families introduces a whole set of unique benefits. With the full stack, you can deploy and grow networks easily and rapidly. Administrative overhead is reduced with Cisco Meraki's simple, all-inclusive licensing models. Let's discuss cloud networking technologies in more detail. Cloud networking provides centralized management, visibility, and control without the cost and complexity of controller appliances or overlay management software. Cisco Meraki products are built from the ground up for cloud management and come out of the box with centralized management, Layer 7 device application visibility, real-time web-based diagnostics, monitoring and reporting capabilities, and live tools such as packet capture or cable testing. Cisco Meraki devices can be deployed quickly and easily without training or proprietary command line interfaces. Cisco Meraki products increase IT manageability and allow for quick deployment out of the box through its secure management connection to the cloud. This connection is encrypted while keeping end-user traffic split-tunneled for data privacy and avoiding traffic bottlenecks. The cloud also increases scalability from small branches to large networks. The network stays up even if the connection to the cloud is lost. Cost saving is possible by reducing operational costs. And since they can be easily enabled by the cloud, Cisco Meraki system features are always up to date. So, how does it work? Plug any high-performance and reliable Cisco Meraki device, for instance an MX, MR, MS, MC, or MV, into a network that has connectivity to the Internet. The device will automatically connect to the Cisco Meraki cloud over SSL. Once registered with your network, it will download its configuration. From that moment on, you have complete visibility and control over the web. You can configure thousands of devices, run diagnostics, or perform remote troubleshooting with just a few clicks. Tasks such as RF optimization and VPN configuration are automated by the cloud. Firmware updates and application signatures are delivered securely over the web, which you can reschedule or cancel at any time. Let's talk about the out-of-band control plane. Cisco's Meraki out-of-band control plane separates network management data from user data. Management data includes configuration, statistics, and monitoring data. Management data flows from Cisco Meraki devices to the Cisco Meraki cloud over an encrypted VPN connection and consumes a minimum of overhead, approximately 1 kilobit per second per device. On the other hand, user data, such as web browsing and internal applications, does not flow through the cloud. Instead, it flows directly to its destination on the LAN or across the WAN. There are some clear benefits in this architecture, such as scalability, whereby you can add devices or sites without MPLS tunnels; unlimited throughput with no centralized controller bottlenecks; enhanced reliability, where redundant cloud service provides high availability, and even if management traffic is interrupted, the network continues to function; and security. Since no user traffic passes through the Cisco Meraki cloud, it is fully HIPAA and PCI compliant. Cisco Meraki service is collated in Tier 1 SAS-70 Type 2 SSAE 16 certified data centers. These data centers feature state-of-the-art security, both physical and cybersecurity, and are highly reliable designs. All Cisco Meraki services are replicated across multiple, independent data centers so that customer-facing services recover rapidly in the event of a catastrophic data center failure. Meraki data centers have availability monitoring with 4 9-uptime service SLA, 24/7 automated failure detection, since services are tested every 5 minutes from multiple locations; redundancy with globally distributed data centers and nightly archival backups; disaster recovery with rapid failover to hot spare in the event of hardware failure or natural disaster; cloud services security with 24/7 automated intrusion detection, remote access restricted by IP address and verified by public key, and automatic alerts sent to administrators upon configuration changes; physical security with a high-security card key system and biometric readers utilized to control facility access. This ensures that all entries, exits, and cabinets are monitored by video surveillance; disaster preparedness with diesel generators providing backup power in the event of power loss. Each data center has service from at least 2 top-tier carriers. In the event of a catastrophic data center failure, services fail over to another geographically separate data center. Environmental controls with over-provisioned HVAC systems provide cooling and humidity control, and flooring systems are dedicated for air distribution. All Cisco Meraki data centers undergo daily penetration testing by an independent third party. Let's learn about the security, reliability, and privacy information of the Cisco Meraki cloud. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to an organization's network. In order to log in to Cisco Meraki services, an administrator must provide his or her name and password, as well as their phone number. During the term of the services licensing agreement, the hosted software will be operational and available to the customer at least 99.99% of the time in any calendar month. Every customer's data, network configurations, and usage metrics are replicated across 3 independent data centers. Cisco Meraki data centers are SAS-70 Type 2 audited, and if you wanted to have additional information, please visit meraki.cisco.com/trust. Cisco Meraki provides comprehensive solutions to ensure data protection and compliance with industry service standards, including PCI compliance. Cisco Meraki solutions ensure a PCI-compliant environment. Each solution is held to the strict standards of a Level 1 PCI audit. This represents the most rigorous audit level. Cisco Meraki's rich security feature set addresses all of the clear requirements for building compliant wireless LANs, and Cisco Meraki is certified as a PCS DSS version 3.1 Level 1 service provider. HIPAA. Each Cisco Meraki product platform provides a variety of security functions to aid with HIPAA compliance. For example, WPA2 encryption, IPsec VPN, Layer 3 and 7 firewall, Radius, and many more. No individually identifiable health information located on the network is ever sent to the Cisco Meraki cloud. And finally, the EU cloud with its data privacy regulations. Networks configured to operate in the EU cloud ensure that even the network management information is stored only in the European Economic Area, including failover and backup. Cisco Meraki also makes available to its customers a Data Processing Addendum, or DPA, that incorporates the European Commission's standard contractual clauses. So let's now address some commonly asked questions about Cisco Meraki architecture. Does my network traffic flow through the Cisco Meraki cloud infrastructure? As mentioned previously, Cisco Meraki uses an out-of-band management architecture, so no user traffic passes through Meraki's data centers. What happens if I can't access the Cisco Meraki cloud? Your network continues to function normally even if you can't access the cloud. Users can authenticate, firewall rules remain in place, and traffic flows at the full line rate. Only management and configuration functions are interrupted, and usage statistics are stored locally until the connection to the cloud is reestablished. Once the connection is reestablished, usage statistics are pushed to the cloud. How do firmware upgrades work? How often do I get new features? Meraki provides firmware updates via seamless over-the-web upgrades. Cisco Meraki releases updates each quarter that contain new features, performance improvements, and other enhancements. Firmware upgrades are delivered securely over the web, which you can reschedule or cancel at any time. We'll now move on to an overview of the Cisco Meraki dashboard. The intuitive single pane of glass, the Cisco Meraki dashboard, can be accessed anywhere in the world with a modern web browser. There are no dependencies on plugins, third-party applications, on-site service, or physical connectivity requirements for control and management access. The Meraki dashboard is operating system agnostic. Thus, a seamless and consistent experience is provided across all types of workstations. The dashboard and local status pages are compatible with all major Internet browsers, including Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, and Internet Explorer. And while it is not designed for compatibility with mobile devices, you will still be able to render the majority of pages. However, using a major Internet browser on a desktop or laptop is recommended. Administrators can require two-factor authentication for logging in to Dashboard. One available option is the Google Authenticator. This service is useful because it can provide two-factor authentication regardless of SMS service. The role-based administration feature provides the administrator with easy-to-use configuration capabilities. It lets you appoint administrators for specific subsets of your organization and specify if they have read-only access to reports and troubleshooting tools. Administer access to guests via the lobby ambassador, or make configuration changes to the network. Role-based administration reduces the chance of accidental or malicious configuration and restricts errors to isolated parts of the network. There are two types of dashboard administrators: organization administrators and network administrators. For the organization administrator, there are two permission levels. With read-only permission, the user is able to access most aspects of the network and organization-wide settings, but is unable to make any changes. With full permission, the user has full administrative access to all network and organization-wide settings. This is the highest level of access available. For the network administrator, there are 4 permission levels. As a guest ambassador, the user is only able to see the list of Meraki authentication users, add users, update existing users, and authorize or deauthorize users on an SSID or client VPN. Ambassadors can also remove wireless users if they are an ambassador on all networks. They are presented with the User Management Portal only. With monitor-only access, the user is only able to view a subset of the monitor section in Dashboard and can make no changes. With read-only access, the user is able to access most aspects of the network, including the Configure section, but no changes can be made. With full access, the user has access to view all aspects of the network and can make any changes to it. An email address is required to log in to Dashboard. Once an account has been created with an associated email address, the basic structure of Dashboard consists of two levels: organizations and networks. Organizations are a collection of networks that are all part of a single organizational entity, such as a company or school district. Therefore, licensing, inventory, users, and configurations are all kept within an organization. Networks contain Cisco Meraki devices, the device configurations, statistics, and any client device information. Here are just a few of the highlights of the Cisco Meraki dashboard. With the search function in Dashboard, users can quickly find anything in their organization, from device IP addresses to network tags to answers to general configuration questions. At the bottom right of every dashboard page, the user has the opportunity to provide direct feedback and requests to the Cisco Meraki product management team using the Make-A-Wish box. As Dashboard evolves and new features or workflows are introduced, notices of improvements and changes are constantly being communicated via Dashboard to help administrators keep up with the latest from Cisco Meraki. This brings us to the end of the Cisco Meraki overview. In the next lesson, you will learn about the Cisco Meraki series of security appliances.